It's car parts day. Yes. I need all of the parts. What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. My name is Gregson and welcome to Shifting Lanes. Tonight I am in front of my 2005 Volvo V70R and I am about to unbox this box of car parts from Snob and the good folks over at FCP Euro. And I thought it would be a good chance to go through the car parts. This is all of our Go Fast bits for this car and give you a little update about the V70R as to where it stands. So let's dive right in. This video and all of our videos is sponsored by FCP Euro. If you don't know who FCP Euro is, click the link in the description below. They are a foreign car parts supplier to you guys. If you own a Volvo, a Saab, BMW, Audi, Mercedes, anything like that, go check them out. You're doing yourself a disservice if you don't. Any order over $49 will give you free shipping, and they have a lifetime warranty you also need to go check out. Any wear item on your car, you buy from them. You get brakes from them, rotors, pads, whatever, and they wear out. If you still own that car, when you order that part, you can send it back to FCP Euro and they will give you a set for free. Go check them out. You absolutely need to see what FCP Euro is all about. Without further ado, let's dive into this box of car parts. This should be our Snob front mount intercooler kit as well as piping kit. So let's open the box and see exactly what we've got. As you can see, there were a lot of staples in this box, which actually there's one in here I completely missed. So yeah, there's even more. There's just a ton of staples, which is good attention to detail when you're shipping a ton of car parts. So good job, Snob, and good job, FCP Euro. All right, diving in. What do we have? We've got tons of paper. A lot more paper. Ooh, shiny things. So a lot of this should be the front mount intercooler, which I believe is in that box down there. This should all be the piping. Here are all the V-band clamps that go with all the piping. We have a box here, which is Bosch, obviously. I'm actually not sure what's even in this box, but a Bosch part. We have some silicone pipes, and we have a filter, it looks like. Yeah. So this is all really good, and what all this is going to be is installed in there once we get the front end fixed. So this is really, really good, and obviously you can see it's packaged really well, so everything came in and nothing seems to be out of place. So really good job by the people at Snob and good job with the people at FCP Euro for making this all possible and making sure everything is on the up and up and packaged correctly from their end too. Because I have another box over there of FCP Euro stuff and that came and was packaged beautifully. So yeah, everything looks to be in order. I'll have to go through the packing list separately. I don't want to bore you guys with that. But let's talk about the V70R and where this car is and what's going to happen with it next. So as you can see, if I move the box out of the way, I open the door, the interior is totally gone. The interior of this car is currently with Fibernew, and they are going to be redoing all the seats in this car. So hopefully in the next week or two, we'll have the seats back in this car and we can bring it to the body shop. Every morning, I have to walk into this garage and look at the front end of this car, which is still smashed. And it goes something like this. So everything is going well with this car. We need to fix the front end. Let's go take a look at that. You probably just saw it, but to give you a better look, yeah, everything's still smashed up. The grill actually came out fine, so that's sitting over there somewhere in my garage, but the rest of this is actually It's totally fixable, which is great. We have all the parts for it. We have the headlight, we have a hood, we have a new bumper. The fender came out fine, the grill is okay. It came out to be a lot less than I thought it would be. And we'll go over the entire parts quote once we get it back from the body shop, because what we're gonna do is we're going to be having the body shop do the replacement of all the parts, and we're also going to be having them paint the car. Now, the car is going to be staying the same color, which is magic blue, and they're going to be touching up some panels here and the rear bumper, as well as a couple other things on the other side. They're fixing the bow in the roof where whatever fell on it in its previous life. Fell on it and kind of caved in a little bit, so they're gonna fix that. So the body shop's taking care of all of this. They saw the video and they're helping us out, so that's really cool of them. So yeah, the seats will be done soon, the body will be done soon, and then we can take this thing back to the dyno. So what else is going on with the Volvo V70R? Nothing. Everything I just told you is basically it. We have the go fast bits, the seats are getting redone, the front end is about to be redone, and actually there is one other thing I didn't say. The headliner is going to be replaced completely. It's gross, it's stained from water. I do need to check the drain plugs for the sunroof, so thank you guys for those comments. I will check those and get those drained eventually. My garage is closed because my driveway just got repaved, and I'll show you guys that in the next video. It's late, I don't want to open the doors and wake my son and my wife, so I will show you that in another video, and it looks really good, and it, compared to what it was, it's amazing, and I think you guys actually really like the before and after photos that I took. I didn't get any time lapse of that, unfortunately, but I think you will be really impressed with how it came out. With that said, you probably won't get a V70R video next week. You'll probably get an Aston video next week about my 1 year with the Aston. I've almost had the Aston for an entire year, and it's been a really amazing experience owning this exotic British hand-built sports car, borderline supercar. So if you're interested in that, definitely stay tuned next week, Wednesday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. For now, that will do it. This was just a quick update video. I wanted to keep you guys informed without having you completely in the dark. If you haven't checked it out, go over to the VinWiki YouTube channel. I did a video with Ed Bowling and VinWiki over there where I talked about this car and how I almost lost it because New Jersey thought it was a junk car and they almost had to crush it. I made a video on it on this channel a while ago. You guys may have seen that. If not, head over to the VinWiki page where I talk about it, and I'll leave a link in the description below to that video. So that will do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick update. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Can't really control what you guys do, but didn't want to leave you in the dark. So that will do it for this week. If you want to check out more of our videos, you can click right here. If you want to check out more of the Volvo, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, you can click right here. My name is Gregson, and I will catch you next week. See ya.